I'm here at the showroom of all 4x4 spares, and Chris is one of the sales reps here. Now, I've been wondering about seat covers, and you guys have got 4 different seat covers on display here. So Chris, tell us a little bit about the MSA Tradie Gear seat covers.
Canvas seat cover, 2 years warranty, airbag compatible.
Fantastic. So Chris, this is the MSA Premium seat cover. What are the elements to do with this?
The biggest difference between these 2 seat covers, a higher grade canvas being used on the high wear areas, getting in and out of the vehicle on the side, and also most models coming with a lumbar support system, both being still airbag compatible.
What's the warranty on that?
Lifetime.
Fantastic. Now there's 2 more brands in the range here in the showroom. So we've got the WetSeat seat covers. These are made of a neoprene. What's some of the features of that?
Water resistant, Matt, 2 years warranty, and being airbag compatible. A nice seat cover to be sitting on for long distances.
And the last brand in their range is the TuffSeat seat covers. Now Chris, this feels like some form of canvas.
It is, you're right. It's a flame retardant canvas. It's a 3-year warranty, airbag compatible, and Australian owned and Australian made.
Fantastic. So if you would like a great set of seat covers for you and your 4-wheel drive, just come on down to Katara and see the team at All 4x4 Spares, even have a chat to Chris about them, or go to their website at All 4x4 Spares. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.